What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have something exciting to show you. I picked myself up a set of Anzo headlights used, so that means they're not in the best quality, so we are going to wet sand these things, clean them up, and show you guys how good this kit is. I picked up one of these 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration kits. Some of the kits, they suck. This kit apparently is very good. Let me show you these headlights. I've already started on one, and the second one, you'll see. So here they are. I picked these up for a better deal than I could ever turn down. Free. But they're a little hazy for my liking. Some people might find this okay, but I don't. I want them crystal clear if they're going on the truck. So I've already started on this one, as you can see. And we're gonna film this and do a little comparison and show you guys over time the different steps. So the kit comes with 3 different grits. You get the 500, you get the 800, and then the final, the wet sand application, you get the 3000. It also comes with a little backing plate that you put on a drill. Most kits will just say, okay, well, once you hit 3000, then use a headlight restoration paste and go for it. It works, but it doesn't. The nice thing about this kit is you get clear coat. And this stuff will work wonders. So all you need for this is the drill and a spray bottle of water. And this is for a later step. But you take the backing plate here and you put it in the drill, and then you attach your 500 grit and then go to town. One of the things I can't stress enough when you're sanding this, take your time, and it will be much easier on you when you're wet sanding. So now I just applied the 800 grit. Every pass from now on, you should see the headlight starting to get clearer and clearer and clearer until finally we hit it with the wet sand, hit it with the 3000 grit, then things will look even better. For the purpose of this video, obviously I'm going to do the whole headlight, but I'm going to tape off a section to show you guys the before and after to see how good it is going from 500 to 800. All right. All right, I did about 10 or 12 passes on that. Oh yeah, you can see the difference. There you go. I can see that difference. Look at that. I'm gonna go at this a little bit more and do the whole headlight, and then we'll come back with the wet sanding. Now we got the headlight to the point where I can start wet sanding with the 3000 grit. What you're gonna do is spray the disc surface until it's wet, just like that, and attach it to the Velcro on the drill, and then you're going to spray the headlight down and keep spraying it down. Don't let it dry, and just take your time again and go over it pass by pass by pass. You'll see the headlight get clearer and clearer and clearer as time goes on. So I've done a few passes on the bottom. You can see it's not completely clear, so I'm still going to go over this probably another 10-20 times. I just want this pristine before I continue on. But you can see from the top, I haven't touched yet. I haven't done any passes on this. You can see it's super hazy. All right, so I got the headlight to the point where I'm kind of happy with it now. This isn't a recommended step, but I'm going to use icy rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to just wipe down the lens. So then you'll kind of get the gist of what it's going to look like with the clear. Like that. Wow, that looks really good. And then you can see if there's any spots that you missed. And then you can go back at it with the 3000 grit and finish it out. But those are going to look really good once the clear coat's on. Now I'll put this one aside and start on the other one. This is the stock one. This one finished. Once the clear's on this, it's going to look like that. That's already done with the clear from the factory or wherever the light came from. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. So when I was doing these headlights, I've done the steps. I went at this with the 3000 quite a few times, a lot longer than it should. And you're still gonna get fine scratches like you see here. Learn from me, this is okay. Once you put the clear coat on, they say it should disappear. So that's what we're about to do right now, see if it actually disappears. But I tried for 30 minutes on this headlight, back and forth. I've done so many steps. I even went back to the 500 grit and then went to the 800 grit, did it wet sanding version, just used water when I was doing them, and still the same. So the only way to remove that would be to go to, I don't know, 4,000 or 5,000 grit, but this kit doesn't come with that. So this is what we're gonna get. So now once you're happy with the headlight and it looks good, you're gonna bring out your clear coat. You're gonna get 2 of these in the box. Put one aside because that's for the second coat. You're gonna take this, open it up, use the glove, and you're gonna do overlapping passes. You're only gonna do 1 coat on this, and then you're gonna do 1 coat on this headlight, but the same pack. Once it's done, allow this 15 minutes to dry to the touch. Use the back of the hand, don't get oil on the light. You're gonna take the second one, and this is where it really counts. You're gonna do nice overlap passes again, and make sure everything is perfect, no bubbles. Just applied the second coat and you can see they're really glossy right now. But overall, this is super easy to do. Take your time. The box says 40 minutes, which, nah. This is day 3. Then again, some of you might not be as crazy OCD as I am. I want these lights to be nice, clear, so I took my time. So I'm installing these headlights after I cleared them. They're all good. I just put a coat of jet seal on them. You apply it, let it sit for 20 minutes, allow it to cure.